fly away, fly away. I wanna fly away, stand the night away, not away. Yeah, something like a vacay, fly away, just for the night a day, something like a vacay. I just wanna get away and fly away, smoke some weed, smoke the dope. Without it, I can't cope. Feel to hang myself with a fucking rope, but I will not do it. I'm gonna live on, so I get my fucking life away. I'ma get it back and then get away. Everybody know I won't stay. I'ma get the fucking way. I wanna fly away just like a jet. So bougie, look at my loaded Patek on my wrist, Gucci on my motherfucking bed. Nigga, and you know I'm a rich nigga, never be a broke nigga. Hey, weed I smoke nigga, never motherfucking coke nigga. And you know these niggas, they be broke niggas, basically these are lames. I'm moving fast just like a train, I'm flying in the motherfucking plane. Nigga, I got a bitch, she came from the Ukraine. Nigga, I'ma pull up, leave your blood on the wall like a stain. Nigga, I'm a real nigga, I'm from the motherfucking bando. Nigga, I be trapping, nigga, got guns in my waist, ready to be clapping, nigga. Yeah, I'm ready to fly away, spend the night away, Yeah, something like a vacay, fly away, spend the night away, Yeah. Something like a vacay. I just wanna fly away, get away from my life that I have right now. I just wanna pipe some bitch up, and you know I got the lean in my cup. Fucking couple bitches cause I know they're sluts. Yeah, I don't pay no fee, I'm a G, my name is MP, the green face, the motherfucking zombie. Yeah, I'm that nigga from the motherfucking west side. Smoke the weed, it came from the best side. I got a bitch and she so damn fine, and she shining bright just like a diamond. Yeah, I brought my bitch to the lair. Yeah, my bitch look like a motherfucking chandelier, and every bitch got a fucking glare. Yeah, because she with me, I'm the rich nigga MP, yeah. Nigga got the motherfucking bands and I got the fucking ends, where I link up with my fucking friends. And these broke niggas cannot contend. Yeah, transform like Ben 10. That what those motherfucking niggas do. Those niggas fake and I don't know them. That's I pull up with the gun and give them two out of the carbon 55. Them affidavits and them I realize. MP I've got kill out all the spies. Inna the gang cause me have some of them I come back like boomerang. Inna the click, me have them girls that suck on my dick. Them girls, them a blood clot trick, them a blood clot bitch. And you know them for the streets. And you know so the pistol I got beat on them broadcast. Little nigga try to snitch on me. Nigga, I'm getting rich, homie. Nigga, what you wanna do, be a phony. Nigga, get from around me. Nigga, I don't need you around me. Nigga, got my motherfucking bros, family. Nigga, girl, got no friends. Dead friends in my pocket, nigga. Take off like a motherfucking rocket, nigga. I plug a nigga out like a socket, nigga. Ayy, I'm about to rocket, nigga. What you saying, nigga? Ain't playing, nigga. I'ma pull up, I'ma blow out your brain, nigga. Hey, and I got the fame, nigga. MP, I'm in my own lane, nigga. Yeah.